Which data set best fits the function y equals 0.4x plus 0.5? To do this, I'm going to use our calculator and calculate the linear regression line for each of our 4 data sets. So let's go over to our calculator, hit Stat, 1 for Edit, and this will bring up our lists. In our list, we're going to enter the information in our tables. In list L1, we're going to input our x values. And notice that our x values are the same for each 4 of our data sets. In L2, enter your f of x values. L3, g of x. L4, h of x. And L5, k of x. Once the data is entered, come over to your calculator, hit Stat, arrow to Calc, hit 4 for linear regression, and here is where we will select our x and our y values. Hit second L1 for our x values, comma, second L2 for our f of x values, then hit Enter. This gives us a linear regression line of y is equal to 0.4x plus 1.8. Next, let's check out the linear regression line for g of x. Hit Stat, arrow to Calc, 4 for linear regression, second L1 for our x values, comma, second L3 for our g of x values. Enter. The equation for g of x is y is equal to 0.4x minus 0.56. For h of x, hit Stat, arrow to Calc, 4 for linear regression, second L1 for our x values, comma, second L4 for our h of x values. Enter. The equation for h of x is y is equal to 0.4 plus 0.4x plus 0.6. And lastly, for k of x, hit Stat, arrow to Calc, 4 for linear regression, second L1 for our x values, comma, second L5 for our k of x values. Enter. The linear regression line for k of x is y equals 0.6x minus 0.5. Now comparing all of our linear regression lines to the equation given, the best fit is answer choice C. Y is equal to 0.4x plus 0.6.